Hello everyone. My name is Satish, and I am taking the customer feedback interview on the behalf of Team 15 of Design Thinking, September 2024 term. So, along with me, Swati, who is a student currently enrolled in the first year of Patna Women's College, is present. And I would like to thank Swati for giving your valuable time and giving us the opportunity to let you testing our application. So what you have to do, you just have to run this prototype that the link I have shared with you, and the interfaces and everything that you are seeing in our application, you can give the feedbacks based on the experiences you are having.
Okay. Thank you so much, Satish, to you for giving me this chance, for giving the review for your project. I would
Hmm.
like to start the reviewing process. Okay.
Yeah.
Like on this, your landing page is also good. I would like to go
Yes.
for the registration from here. Okay. I have to register for this. Okay, there are various sections for teacher, student, connect,
Yes.
and
Yes.
principal.
Correct.
We can go for the teacher. I would like to go for the okay. Nice dashboard. Here overall progress of the classes. Okay, there is a section for today's classes also. Okay,
Hmm.
nice. Okay, there are various time and subjects what they have to teach are given here. Okay, good.
Yes. Correct.
Then we have student performance sections also. Yeah. Okay. Here they can review the performance of the students and all. There is a leave
Yes.
request form. Okay. They can send leave request to collect for view. Nice. Manage attendance is also there. Okay, good. One thing I would like to say here, there is an absence feature of edit option, right? You can edit.
Okay.
You can provide the edit option also here, so that teacher can want to edit their
Hmm.
presence or absence mark. They can, right?
Sure.
Then
Sure.
we have a chat section also. Okay, this is for general announcement also. Send announcement they can give. Nice. They can give the announcement as well. Okay. Okay, then go to next students. Okay. Okay, nice. Student dashboard is also good. They have a section for today's classes like mathematics, chemistry, physics. Okay, good, good. We have a performance section also. Okay,
Hmm.
awesome. You have given the percentage marks and all also. Okay, nice. We have a assignment section also. They can submit their assignment as well. Okay, they have a submission successful. Okay, nice. Support section also, if they want any support from teacher or principal as well, they can send from you. Okay, okay. Then we have a collect section. Collect. Okay, proceed. Today's attendance, pending leaves. Nice. They have also the leave request form and chat section as
Hmm.
well. Here they can also share their chats and also. Okay, nice. I think the last section for principal. Okay, let's go for this. They have like dashboard of total number of students, staffs, average students. Okay, good. They have attendance section also. Nice. Okay. Student performance. Okay, from here they can point out that which student is doing well and all. Like they have a
Yes.
class.
Class wise. Hmm.
Class D have lowest performance in all this case. Leave request from here they can find out who have requested for the leave and all. Okay, nice. Chat section also there. Here also they can give the general announcement and all. Okay, nice,
Yes.
awesome. Okay, okay. One thing I felt about in a student dashboard, that you can put the notification bar also, like any type of critical notification they might have, like assignment deadline and all. They can go
Hmm.
for that also. You can put that
Okay.
here also. And
Okay.
actually, your project is actually very nice. Uh, the
Hmm.
one also I would like to mention here that uh, the font size that you have used in each page, like they are very small. Like you can make the font size much better also. Yeah,
Okay.
that's the point from my side. And yeah, you and your team has really done well.
Okay. So basically, you have given me three feedbacks. I have noted the points. I would like to confirm once again. The first one was to have the edit option for the present or the absent section in the
Yeah,
attendance manager for the teacher. And the
yes.
second one is to add a notification bell in case of
In
the critical
student
announcement for the
dashboard.
students.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And the third one is font size somewhere it was looking very small, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I have noted down all the feedbacks and we will improve these things in our prototype and the application.
Okay.
Okay. So once again, thank you, Swati, for giving us
You-
your time to check our application. I have noted down all the feedbacks and will definitely improve these points in the future onwards.
Okay.
So
Thank you, Satish.
thank you. Thank you, Swati.